Alright, I'm going to show you guys something. Figured I'd contribute. See these connectors, these GMC 2019 1.5 liter turbo vacuum pump blew up on me, so I could take the valve cover off. What's these connectors here? I couldn't find anything about how to take these off. You can see that there's these two black plastic tabs holding this red release back. So I found a pair of these snap ring pliers. You gotta spread them open like that, and then the red tab will pop back, and you can push down and disconnect them like all the other kind of GMC ones, you know. These you pull back and just push down. Okay, I did that with these two. I broke that one because you don't want to pull back too far. Let's see if I can give you a demonstration here. Alright, I'll zoom in on that a little bit. So you just want to get your little snap rings in there and spread them open. And you'll see there's a little groove that red tab slides back through. And you can push down and then just pop off. Alright, that's it.